Hi, Mia. Do I get a smile? How was those sprinkled donuts? Were they good? You want another one?
She looks like she's zoned out.
A little zoned on.
You hungry? Or you just fussing?
No, Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris.
Yeah, Uncle Chris got it. What was it? What was it, Mia? What did Uncle Chris get you?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse.
Oh, what else did you get? It looks like one of your cousins over there has another present of yours. Oh, you want to open Minnie, huh? Oh, turn Minnie over to the other side. Turn to the other side. What is there? What is that?
What do you want?
Those are her clothes? Oh my gosh, she has her own little mini wardrobe, huh? Oh my.
The kid talks so good.
Oh, is she adorable?
Has pockets too.
Pretty cool little thing.
You better go give Chris a big kiss and hug for that.
Other than that,
Like
You tell Chris. Go over and tell Chris thank you. Go over and give him a kiss.
good. It smells really good.
told you. Go. Yeah.
Nail polish.
Look at, we make good kids.
Paint your nails
Uncle Chris.
or your toes.
She said it was adorable, didn't you?
Adorable.
Okay, look, over there. Go, Mia's got, over there, Mia. Look, another gift.
A jacket. Always. Just look, we got a jacket. I know, I'm about to open it whenever Jackson lets me. And babe, this one has your name on it, so we gotta open it together. If you want to open
Where's
this,
that from, Mia?
Yeah, you can let our Grace open it since you open everything else.
Like it. Oh, it looks like an art studio stuff. Oh, no, that's for painting, not your face.
yeah, with the
Wow.
G19.
Who got him that?
from my art making group, so
But with food extension.
Yes, a big bow for your hair.
Am I neither here or there?
Oh, yeah, you're going to do some serious painting with those brushes.
Shorter.
A little shorter. Probably like a fraction.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
give that
no,
back to
glitter,
Cynthia.
no. No, don't open the glitter.
Money's in there for
I
you.
got the G17.
My brother's trying to sell me a
You
G17.
did a great
Glock 19 is like
G17 for 300.
pretty good.
Thank you.
Did a wonderful job.
I just didn't put the candy canes on though, but other than that,
It looks like we got some Elvis guys here, isn't it? Or is that somebody else?
oh yeah, that's Elvis.
Yeah, you go with her.
No, you're going.
What's the matter with Christy?
Everything.
Why are you mad at me?
She has like
These faces.
skin
Just for an
allergy and she
experiment.
shakes her ears and
Yeah, experiment.
yeah, but she's still having the issues, so.
Come here, Mia.
Just
Okay.
You know what, Ramon? Want to do a face mask together?
I'm ready for it. I hope it doesn't have glitter on it. Because it's going in his mouth, I'm sure. Right there, he got it.
come by my house, maybe tomorrow, Monday.
Say hi.
What day are you at?
Can't open
Hola.
Hi. Oh, you already had them made, huh?
Well, I won't be here Friday.
Nobody.
Did you introduce Cody? Oh, you met him at the wedding and everything.
Oh, we met Cody at some other places too, haven't we?
Yeah, and Mike's thing and
Yeah.
Mike's thing and yeah.
Wash your face.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Yeah.
Thank you, Grandma.
Maybe also here.
Thank you, Grandma.
I love you.
Not working.
Oh, you want to hold a baby?
Say hi.
Say I love you, Grandma.
Who's that?
It's going to be YouTube. My YouTube friends.
Oh, hi, YouTube friends.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, hold on 1 second.
Who's that all about?
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Someone coming or going?
Destiny, you're coming right back, right?
Huh? In a little bit, yeah.
Oh, what does a little bit mean?
In like an hour or so.
Oh, well, we may or may not be here then.
I'm gonna bring it when I get cats.
Oh my gosh. Who do we have in here? Is it Chris? Hi, Chris. Wish him happy Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See more friends. Oh, what a nice house Grandma's got. Oh, there's no TV. Guys are leaving. See you guys later if I don't see you again. What a happy Christmas.
By the way, yeah, happy Christmas to all. To all a good night. Ho, ho, and ho. No, I'm just kidding.
Brett doesn't do very well when he's on the spot, Mom. He's better just on the whim.
On the whim. Wish everyone a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
We love you.
Because Grandma told us.
Yep, Grandma told them. Okay, everyone, wish my YouTube buddies a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, wait a minute. Back to the great grandkids. Oh, where's Dustin? We lost Dustin. Oh, they're happy to hear you.